Hello, this is Ryan Mitchell with DTM Architect. I wanted to give you a quick example of our capabilities here. We're pretty technologically advanced, I'd say on the cutting edge of technology to tell you the truth. What we have here, for example, is one of our buildings we are working on. It is a very large self-storage center. And what I can show you is we can slice this puppy up and actually look inside it and see pieces of it and see issues you won't see in 2D. If you're working just in 2D drawings, you might miss things like a vertical projection intersecting with something you wouldn't see vertically on a 2D drawing. But let me just slice this up a little bit and show you a few different ways. But yes, well laid out. It's a lot of units. A lot of units in this puppy. But let me give more examples. Relinquish. Okay, here we go. And let me get this out of the way. Alright, here we go. And this is another project. It is self-storage. It's in the initial stages. This is only probably a day's worth of work so far into it, setting it all up. But again, you can slice it and dice it and see all the issues you might have and help actually visualize the project much better for clients. Let me close that one. This is the same thing. It is the actual model, but this is how the drawings are made. They are cut through the building, so we actually build the building in 3D, and then the drawings are extracted from it. Let me go to hidden again, and I will get this out of the way. Come here. There we go. Okay, here's an example of the drawing in 3D, but black and white drawing lines. This is what we usually work in. Lastly, on this example, is the very amazing aspect that, say, this is the elevation for the building. Okay, this is the side view elevation, standard 2D drawing you see, but it's made of the model. It's made of what we build. Here, I will delete this window row, which is right here, but I'm deleting it over here in this drawing. And guess what? It updates across the entire drawing set. All elevations are updated. Everything's updated immediately. If I undo it and restore the window, it comes back. Not only does it come back in these drawings and insert itself, it also inserts and deletes itself from the window schedule. So we are constantly correct across the entire drawing set. One last step that I can show in this small video is we can go beyond that. I wrote an in-house program for Revit that exports the model you saw into another format, which I send through a few filters that I wrote also that bring it into a 3D situation like a video game, for example, where you can walk around through the structure. This is an Arby's in Lubbock, I believe. We put it in 3D for a franchisee that was tossed to us from the corporate, since we are the corporate architect preferred, and you probably can see why. We can walk through this structure, we can sit anywhere we want, we can see if things work, how the spaces are, even in the kitchen. We can walk into the kitchen and see these are generalizations of the actual equipment there, but they are accurate as far as size and depth, so we can see that we can walk and go in and out and fit. Everything works well. And let me walk back out of here. Now this is something we can do for any project. It's actually not that complex. We export with using my plugin. It's proprietary. No one else has it. And then we import it into the system, and we walk around and tour. Anyway, we move from here to the next phase, which I can't show you in video format, but we actually have virtual reality. We have an Oculus Rift set that we take this same situation here, and you can actually virtually walk through any structure. And that is probably the end-all be-all, as you are truly there. You can truly see the distances, and you can feel the three-dimensionality of the project. Works very well. It works very well. It's pretty amazing. I love it. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Please contact us anytime. Ryan.dtmarchitect@gmail.com, or my phone, which is I will probably give out through email, being this will be on YouTube. Anyway, I'll leave the email link on the YouTube website, and y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching.